Hi friends, wait, you're not supposed to see this. Hi friends. Today, I am so excited to try a video concept I have never done before, which is trying to style outfits inspired by my own artwork. For those of you who don't know, besides making fashion videos on YouTube, I'm also an artist, illustrator, and graphic designer. And this summer, I have really enjoyed reprioritizing drawing. I've loved making a lot of new art in the past couple months, and today I just thought it would be fun to try to draw from those to style some outfits. And I also have a very fun, exciting art-related announcement to share, but we'll get to that. For now, let's get into the outfits. Okay, first up, we are creating a look inspired by this funky little poster design. For this outfit, I want to draw from the color palette. We've got the bold red, black, a beige, a dark green accent. And I feel like the sort of simple yet bold aesthetic of this piece gives it kind of an effortlessly cool vibe. I feel like it's giving effortless cool girl, so we're gonna try to channel that in the pieces we choose. Alright, here is outfit number one. I went with this red and tan striped shirt to provide that main red, and then to bring in some subtle green, we have this extremely muted dark green jacket. I don't even know if it reads as green on camera, but it is a very subtle green. And then a bunch of cool girl staples in black, like a mini skirt, loafers, sunglasses, and a crossbody cargo bag. I love this outfit. It feels fresh yet classic, much like the illustration. I'm really just bragging about my little drawings in this one, but that's fine. And this outfit also feels very me. I would totally wear this, and in fact have definitely worn some variation of this exact outfit before. Okay, next up we have this illustration of an assortment of little cups. Maybe they've got coffee, maybe they've got afternoon tea, who knows? But either way, the colors and the little cups, which I like to imagine are ceramic pottery, and the drinks made from, leaves or beans, all give this piece a very grounded, earthy, yet bright and lively and vibrant feel to me. So I'm going to try to channel all of those qualities in my outfit. I gotta say, I love this outfit. It also feels very me, and I think it represents the artwork well. My base is just this yellowy green button-up and sky blue skirt to get those colors in there, and then for not only the color brown, but specifically very cozy, earthy brown items, we have this suede vest and these leather fisherman sandals. I also added these tortoiseshell earrings for another earthy brown touch, and then, of course, we needed red, which I added through this little hair ribbon. In theory, this outfit probably should have more red, but I really love it as this subtle little touch, and I feel like the overall tone of the piece is still conveyed well. Next up, we have this drawing of an assortment of good luck charms or signs and symbols of luck. And this one just feels very cute and whimsical and magical to me. So I think it would be fun to try to go for like a very whimsical outfit that also includes its own little icons or symbols that could maybe feel like good luck charms themselves. I don't know if that makes sense without you seeing the pieces I'm thinking of, but you'll see what I mean. Okay, although this outfit doesn't contain most of the good luck symbols in the artwork, I feel like it has a similar charming and whimsical quality. We've got some of the color of the piece in this glorious jacket I recently thrifted, plus some flower imagery, and then underneath I had to pull out this amazing dress from Kina and Tam that has all sorts of adorable little icons on it, including a rabbit. So it's all connected. Then I just tried to round out this outfit with other sort of folksy, whimsical items like my red shoes and this little pink headscarf, and overall I definitely feel like this outfit belongs in a folktale, which I think goes with the theme of good luck charms, superstition, magic, etc. So I also have some very exciting news to share with you all. The reason I was inspired to do this video this particular week is that I have officially opened an Etsy shop for my artwork. It is named Beep Printables because I'm not that creative. It features all of the art in this video and more as instant digital downloads that you can print from home or a local photo or poster printing service like Walgreens or CVS, whatever is available in your region or country. I've spent a lot of time and effort this summer trying to make this the best little printable shop that it possibly can be. And I'm just so excited to share it with you. The grand opening is today. There's even a grand opening sale, so everything is super affordable. It's literally like $6 per artwork. So I would love for you to check it out through the link in the description. And if you're in the market for some cute art, I'd love it if you give my art a home. Okay, on to the next outfit. Next up, we are drawing inspiration from this cute little Matchbox illustration. I tried to make this one look sort of retro and give it almost like a screen print or risograph printed look. So I'm thinking something retro inspired for this outfit. And then also something that really leans into the warm colors and the like flame or fire motif. So let's see what I can do. Okay, when I realized this dress had the colors of the drawing, a bit of a retro flair, and sort of a flame-like hemline, I simply had to use it for this outfit. And truly the only thing that could make it even better is this fabulous pair of reddish orangey brown boots I recently thrifted. Absolutely chef's kiss combo, can you believe these things? However, this outfit is definitely missing more of those yellow and orange tones, so then on top I added this yellow tank top with an orange graphic that also has kind of a boxy fit, which actually ties in perfectly because it's a Matchbox. Finally, I also added these purple loop earrings and black bag to match the touches of purple and black in the artwork, and overall, we have a pretty fabulous fiery look. Does this look better without the shirt? Yes, but I think we needed the shirt to better convey the vibe of the actual drawing. Alright, next up, we are drawing inspiration from this very cute, if I do say so myself, little heart cake illustration. This piece is just so fun and like frilly and fluffy, I feel like. Of course, pink is the dominant color. The heart motif is also key. So I'm going to try to incorporate both of those things into my outfit. And then I also just feel like I need some like poofy frilly pieces, but also like bold shapes and color. There's a lot to take inspiration from here. So let's just see what direction it goes. Alright, here is what I came up with. We have this really bold red and pink miniskirt for that bold bright element and of course the colors, and then on top I went with this white poofy sleeve blouse for that frilly frosted cupcake kind of look. Then I thought we really needed more pink, so I decided to add this pink vintage sleep top over the blouse, plus it adds to the frilly cutesy vibe. Of course, these little red shoes and the puffy headband play into that even more, and with the final touch of these little heart earrings, I'd say this outfit is definitely giving floofy, frosted pink and red heart cake. Okay, our next inspo drawing is this little line art of some red poppies on a pink background, and I actually have an assortment of some red and pink sort of detailed flowery items that I think could work great to channel this vibe. So I'm excited to lean into it. Alright, here's our last predominantly pink and red outfit. It switches up after this one, I promise. But this one is very straightforward. We have this pink floral skirt and this red crop top with these cute poofy sleeves that almost mirror the shape of the flower petals, which I love. I topped it off with red sandals to keep that color scheme and this pink drawstring bag with some floral embroidery on it. I think this one is quite simple but very pretty, just like the drawing itself, and I definitely do feel like I should be wearing this in a flower garden. Okay, this next outfit is actually going to be inspired by two pieces because they sort of go together. We have this cowboy boots illustration and the cowboy hats illustration in sort of matching styles and color palette. These are some of my favorites I've drawn recently, especially the cowboy boots one, but also I don't actually own any cowboy boots as discussed in last week's video, so this is going to be a challenging one. I think I'm just going to try to draw from like the color scheme and the generally Western vibe as much as I can. I really don't have anything in mind yet for this outfit, so we're just gonna have to see what I come up with. Okay, for someone with no cowboy boots or cowboy hats to her name, I think I did a decent job here. The overalls and the hair scarf are still giving very much Western, very much farmer, along with the chambray button-up, and all of the colors in these pieces align pretty well with the artwork. The bandana is doing a lot of the heavy lifting on the color, but still. Obviously, the shoes are one of the hardest parts here, since the closer to cowboy boots the better, but I don't have any boots with me right now, except these fabulous knee-high ones you saw earlier. Do these go with the overalls? Not really, no. But are they amazing and fabulous and the best option I have at this time? Yes. Oh, and if you notice, this is almost the exact same outfit I'm wearing in the talking portion. Shh. Just keep it to yourself. Alright, next up we have this mystical magic 8-ball drawing. I freaking love these things, I have to say. One of my favorite gimmicky toys from childhood. I would genuinely love to reacquire one in adulthood, but for now, at least I have this drawing. I feel like the vibe for this is self-explanatory. It's mystical, it's witchy, it's magical, it's dark, rich, blues and purples. We're just gonna channel all of that into an outfit. Okay, I think I kind of nailed this one. I just thrifted this swirly paisley top. I really need to do a recent thrift haul soon because I have so many new gems. But anyway, The colors and swirly pattern on this just match the artwork perfectly. Plus, I also added on this purple and silver vest for even more dimension and sort of witchy vibes. Then on the bottom, we just have this simple ruffled black midi skirt, and for shoes, I would definitely go with black boots if I had any with me, but the loafers still suffice. Then I topped it off with the purple loop earrings once again, and now I feel like I am definitely ready to use a crystal ball to predict and possibly control the future with my witchy powers. Alright, those are all my art-inspired looks for the day. Thank you very much for hanging out with me today and for listening to my little spiel about my Etsy shop that I'm very excited to be launching. Once again, the link is in the description. All of the art in this video and more will be available as digital downloads. And yeah, let me know your favorite outfit and your favorite artwork in the comments. Oh, and if you do leave a comment, check out my Etsy shop and subscribe to my channel. I heard someone will find you a magic 8-ball to replace the one you lost in childhood, and this one will always give you the answer that you're hoping for.